show's Wipeout, not Extreme Makeover? Let's indulge him anyway. Move that rug!
Oh!
He gets another time of his own. Well, that rug's been moving people in all kinds of ways today. Ooh,
Oh!
Ooh,
Oh! Oh, no!
Paul Hoogenson. Hoogenson? Where'd he get his name like that?
Oh, man! Oh, man! Oh, man!
It's the hip-hop dancer and Chicago native Raven Williams coming up to that baseball. Got it, Chicago. Here she goes.
Oh, man! Oh, man!
Who are you going to call? Who are you calling? Kennedy, who's on the phone?
She's on the phone.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking. Say. Steve.
Okay, you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye to who? Kennedy, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Who you want to say bye-bye to? Anybody?
Anybody?
Say bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Who else?
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Bye-bye, Grandma. Say bye-bye, Grandpa. Say bye-bye, Grandpa.
Bye-bye, Grandpa.
Say bye-bye, Aunt Ellie.
Bye-bye, Aunt Ellie.
Say bye-bye, Uncle David.
Bye-bye, Uncle David.
Love you.
Bye-bye, Stacy.
Say love you to the camera.
Tell Daddy.
With the camera.
And give it a kiss. Bye-bye. Who's that over there? Who is that?
I know. I know the Liz. Say hi, dinosaur.
A dinosaur. Is that baby Kennedy?
Hi, baby Kennedy.
Is that baby Kennedy? Over there? In the swing?
In the swing.
Who's in the swing?
In the swing.
Who's that?
I know.
Who is it?
Baby Kennedy.
Mm-hmm.